When you are preparing iPhone for restore, have you suffered this issue? Waiting for iPhone. It's showing an 4013 error occurred. The iPhone 4013 error is mainly caused by defective USB ports, insufficient storage space, or other issues with the iPhone system. This issue usually occurs when you try to restore or update your iPhone using iTunes, which indicates some connection issue between the iPhone and iTunes. Actually, this is a common problem that can be easily solved. In this video, we are going to show you 7 solutions to fix it easily. Which is, try another USB port or cable to fix the iPhone error, forced restart, remove memory, to fix iPhone 4013 error, reset all settings to fix iPhone 4013 error, update iTunes to fix iPhone 4013 error, fix iPhone 4013 error with Joyoshare UltFix, send your iPhone to Apple for repair. Now let me show you the detailed steps to fix it. Solution 1. Try another USB port or cable to fix the iPhone error. You can get rid of this error by simply checking your iPhone USB cable and port. You can use different cables to check if the USB port works, or use your cable to connect different devices to check if your cable works. Solution 2. Forced restart. The forced restart is such an effective solution that it can resolve dozens of iOS issues quickly and easily. Quick press the volume up button and quick press the volume down button. Then hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Solution 3. Remove memory to fix iPhone 4013 error. You should be able to clean up unused data and media files to free up space on your Apple device. This may also include deleting apps you no longer use. Go to Settings. Find General. Click iPhone Storage. Here you can check if your iPhone storage is healthy, and delete the unwanted files or apps. Solution 4. Reset all settings to fix iPhone 4013 error. Resetting the settings on your iPhone is an easy but effective way, which may cause data loss, so you had better backup data with iCloud before resetting if it is available. Go to Settings, select General, and click Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click Erase All Content Settings button. Click Continue, and enter the passwords to confirm this action. Now your iPhone is backup now. Next, enter your Apple ID passport. Tap Turn Off. Click Erase iPhone. Your iPhone is restored to factory settings now. Solution 5. Update iTunes to fix iPhone 4013 error. The outdated iTunes software may cause your iPhone 4013 error as well. You can simply follow the steps below to update iTunes. Launch iTunes first, and then click Help button. And then click Check for updates. And then click Download iTunes. Click Install one item, and the iTunes are updating now. Solution 6. Fix iPhone 4013 error with Joyoshare UltFix. Joyoshare UltFix can repair iPhone 4013 error, iPhone stuck, black screen or other common issues without any data loss. Moreover, it provides enter-exit recovery mode with one click for free, offers standard mode and advanced mode to fix iOS issues, and compatible with all iOS devices and the recent iOS version. Please kindly note that standard mode can fix almost all common iOS issues like iPhone crash issues, iPhone iTunes errors, etc. There is no risk of data corruption under standard mode. Advanced mode fixes particularly serious system problems, such as forgotten iPhone passcodes, a device locked or disabled, or reset a device to factory settings. This may cause data loss. Now, let me show you how to use Joyoshare UltFix to fix iPhone 4013 error. At the first, connect iPhone with a computer by an Apple cable, and click the Enter Recovery Mode button when it is detected by the software. After your iPhone has entered the recovery mode, press the Start button to proceed. Now you are in the mode selection window. To get out of iPhone error 4013 without data loss, click on the standard mode box. Then click on the Next button. Check the device info and download the firmware package by pressing on the Download button. After that, Joyoshare UltFix will start to verify the firmware package. Lastly, tap on the Repair button at the right bottom to unzip the downloaded firmware package and fix the iOS. Wait until it shows that the repair completed. Solution 7. Send your iPhone to Apple for a repair. If it is hardware issue, you can contact the Apple support online and send all the things they need to know your situation. Okay, that's all the video. Hope this video would help you. Any questions, please comment and let us know. See you next time.